Yo ninjas and Kaio, and welcome to the AIRFLARE Progression Week 5. In this series I'm gonna try to learn AIRFLAREs counterclockwise, my opposite direction. This is my clockwise regular AIRFLARE, and this is my counterclockwise AIRFLARE. Last week I felt like I was almost able to do flare to AIRFLARE to flare again, not smoothly, not so good. The goal for this week is trying to make this combo stronger and a little bit cleaner. Flare, AIRFLARE, flare. So I'm gonna mainly focus on this combo, but I'm gonna still practice all the exercises. However, if you need help for your power moves, check out my Patreon link in the description. In my Patreon page you can also find exclusive tutorials and videos that you cannot find here on YouTube, and you can choose between different plans. So make sure to check it out. I want to try walkovers in a different way today. Instead than starting in a circle, I want to start just thinking about a line. For example, I will start from here, going to the handstand here, and trying to do one round of walkover and ending up in a handstand in the same line. Instead, last times I used to start with a half rotation. So if I started in this position, I used to do the handstand in my opposite direction, like this. In this way here. But maybe it's still too hard for me to control the momentum. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try. I feel like without using the rotation, I'm starting to understand the walkover a little better, but I still need to improve it a lot. I don't want to waste energy, so I'm gonna directly practice flare to AIRFLARE to flare. In the last two attempts, I don't know why, maybe because I didn't warm up properly, I felt like this part here, this muscle, hurt a little bit when I landed in this position. Actually, even if I stay here, it hurts a little bit here. It's very important to warm up, guys. Don't do like me, that I did directly flare to AIRFLARE without trying some flares before. Last times, before trying the flare to AIRFLARE, I used to throw a little bit from here, and I used to do just few flares before going up. Instead, this time I wanted directly to try flare to AIRFLARE to flare, but I think I was not too warmed up. Okay, I'm done for today. Fifth week, day 2. I don't want to hurt myself today, so I will keep practicing the walkovers and high AIRFLAREs. Also spinning handstands and some more exercises. Fifth week, day 3. That's it for this week. I hope I can do better next week. Anyways, make sure to check out the follow along tutorial that I made about the AIRFLARE, and see you next week with new videos. Yo ninjas!